In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Color Filter in Affinity Photo. We'll walk through a simple, non-destructive workflow to build stylish color looks using color balance and HSL adjustments, all while keeping your original image intact. First, open your image in Affinity Photo and make sure you're in the main editing workspace at the top of the app. We'll be working with adjustment layers so you can tweak or remove changes anytime without damaging your base layer. Start by creating your foundational color filter with a color balance adjustment. Hover over the New Adjustment Layer button in the Layers panel and choose Color Balance. You'll get separate controls for shadows, midtones, and highlights, each with 3 sliders: cyan to red, magenta to green, and yellow to blue. Work through one tonal range at a time. Subtle shifts are key. Think gentle moves to steer the mood. To add a cinematic cool, add a touch of cyan and blue to the shadows. To warm skin or golden light, nudge red and yellow in the midtones. Keep highlight tweaks light to avoid odd color casts in bright areas. Toggle the layer's visibility to compare before and after, and reduce layer opacity if the effect feels too strong. Renaming the layer to something like Base Color Balance helps keep things organized. Next, refine the look with an HSL adjustment. Add another New Adjustment Layer and choose HSL. Begin with the master sliders for global adjustments, then target specific colors like blues for the sky or greens for foliage from the drop-down. Slightly adjust hue to shift a color family, saturation to intensify or mute it, and lightness to brighten or deepen that range. If the change spills onto areas you don't want affected, click the Adjustments mask thumbnail and use a soft black brush to hide the effect in those spots. Paint white to bring it back. Finish by fine-tuning the balance between your color balance and HSL layers with their opacities. With these 2 adjustments, you've built clean, controllable color filters the professional, non-destructive way.